Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe, and click that bell button, so you can get notification when my new, easy way tutorial is out. Hi. Are you getting this error when trying to start some application on your PC? The program can't start because msvcp140.dll missing from your computer. Stick around and I will show you how to fix this error, fast and easy. Before we continue, don't forget to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe, if this video helped you, because in that way you support my channel. And now we are moving to our video. msvcp140.dll is part of Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages for Visual Studio 2015. Some programs developed with Visual C++ won't be able to start if this DLL is corrupted or missing from your computer. First method to resolve this error is to manually download missing DLL to our PC. First, you need to know is your Windows running on 64 or 32 architecture. To check this, simply go with your mouse on Start, right-click on it, and in this menu, select System. Here, under System Type, you will see is your operating system 32 or 64-bit. As you see, I am running 64-bit operating system. Now, go on this page. I will leave the link in video description. dll-files.com is official page for downloading DLL files. On this page, scroll down, and here you will see is it for 32 or 64-bit Windows. If you are running 32-bit Windows, download 32-bit file. And if you're running 64-bit version of Windows, download both 32 and 64-bit file. Be careful that you don't mix two files after download, because both 32 and 64-bit version of files have the same name, so keep that in mind. Click on Download button, and on pop-up window, choose Save File. I will save it on my desktop. When downloaded, right-click on Zip File, and extract it. Open the folder, and you will see two files inside, README file, and our msvcp140.dll file. If you are on 64-bit Windows, open 64-bit version of DLL file. Right-click on it and select Copy. Now open your Explorer, and go to C drive. Here, open Windows folder, and find System32 folder. Open it, right-click on the empty space, and select Paste. Select Replace the file in the destination. And here select Continue, to provide administrator permission to copy. Now go back to 32-bit version of the file, and again, right-click on DLL file and select Copy. Remember, if you are on 32-bit of Windows you are copying only this file, and 64-bit of Windows do in step before this. Now open your Explorer, go to C drive, and open Windows folder. Now find folder called syswow64. and open it. Right-click on empty space, and select Paste. Again, replace and give permission if needed. Now restart your computer and run the app that give you this error, to see if we fixed it. If not, we are moving to second method. If the app that give you error is still not able to detect DLL file, we will need to reinstall Visual C++. First you will need to check if you already have Visual C++ 2015 installed. To do this, go to Start, right-click on it and select Search. Here type Apps and Features, and select this option. Now scroll down, and see if you can find Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2015 version. As you see I have them installed, 32 and 64-bit version. Click on both, and here select Uninstall. After you uninstalled both of them, go to web browser and type Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2015, and select the first result from the search, or click on the link I left you in video description. Here select desired language, and click on download. Here check both of these files and click next. Save both files to your computer, and when they are downloaded, run both of them. It doesn't matter in which order. After you installed both files, go back here. And now you should be able to see both of them installed. All you have to do now is restart your computer, and your apps that wasn't able to run because of msvcp140.dll error will work just fine. So, this was guide how to fix msvcp140.dll missing in Windows. Thank you all for watching. Hit that like button if this video helped you in any way, and please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next easy way tutorial. Bye.